I am at Blooming Junction today with Ron, and Ron, you know, summer's coming. It's going to be a warm one. And so maybe we're looking for some trees that cast shade. I think a shade tree would be so nice for most people to have on their property.
Yeah, a lot of people are starting to look into that now, especially after we had that weekend of really high temperatures.
Warm, yeah.
It kind of makes them think, oh, I need to cool my house down a little bit. And a shade tree does that. It provides cooling effect for your home. It also provides a shady area in your yard if you have full sun, which, you know, opens it up to a whole another world of plant material that you can plant.
That is nice. And so if we're going to site it, say, to cool the house, is there a special direction I want to put it in conjunction with the house?
Yeah, usually it's on the southwest side of the home where you get that afternoon sun, the hottest sun of the day.
And so we'd want a deciduous tree there? We wouldn't want a conifer?
That's right. You know, I have a lot of people that come in and they want a tree for a cooling effect on their home. And they may be talking about something evergreen. And I point out that the sun that you're blocking in the summertime is that same sun in the wintertime.
Right.
And you want that sun coming in the wintertime. It's gray enough without losing any sun.
So you're going to put that conifer some other place.
That's right.
So you have some beautiful samples here. So what are these?
Well, this is one of my very favorites. This is a
beautiful.
Raywood ash. This is a medium to large tree, about 40 to 50 feet tall, which is a medium shade tree. I love it because it's got a very fine leaf. It provides a dappled shade. And then the fall color is just brilliant.
Nice.
It's a purplish red color.
That is beautiful.
And that's a great thing about the deciduous trees too, is for the most part they go through fall color.
Right, and you should be looking for that.
Yeah,
Instead of just
absolutely.
one kind of view, you have all different things that are going on with those trees all year long.
They're generally 2 or 3 season trees.
Nice, nice. And these on your right side are beautiful too.
These are Nyssa sylvaticas. This one's wildfire here. This is, you know, a moderate sized tree, but you can't beat these for fall color.
Beautiful.
Just intense ruby red fall color. It's just incredible.
Nice, and kind of medium size too?
Yes.
Beautiful. So we're going to walk down this line here because you have all kinds of trees. So what else do we want to consider when we're looking for trees for our yard, for our property?
Well, there's certain things, you know, certain trees do better in a lawn situation than other trees. You want to make sure that when you're siting your tree and planting that tree, that you are paying particular attention to the tree. There's a lot of people that come in, they want a tree for their lawn, and they think that they can just water with the irrigation that they water their lawn.
Oh, sure.
You really need to pay special attention the first few years. Make sure those roots go down so you don't have problems in the future.
Right, right. And so because we get so hot in the summertime and then there's the hot wind, so you really need to make sure that it's really paid attention to.
That's right. Stake it. Keep it staked for about 2 years and then remove those stakes so it develops a strong structure.
So what other varieties do you have here you want to talk about?
This is one of our larger ones. This is a yellowwood here.
Pretty.
This is a very nice tree too. It goes through some yellow fall color, not quite as brilliant, but it's a great large tree. If you're looking for something big, fast growing.
And Ron, what about trees that maybe don't need staking? Do you have anything that would be maybe a smaller tree?
We sure do. You want to take a look at some?
Sure, let's go. Now, Ron, this area seems like there's a lot of flowering trees, so this one looks like there's a rose on it.
Yeah, this is a beauty. This is a new one for me. This is a brandywine crabapple.
Wow.
And it's just got a great little rose, almost like a Cecil Brunner or something.
Very nice.
A lot of the flowering trees, the flowering pears, cherries, plums, they all make great small shade trees.
Right. I even see like a styrax here that's really pretty, kind of a weeping shade.
Yeah.
So even for a smaller space.
Right. This is a weeping, and we do have the uprights, and they do add additional shade to your garden.
And really here at Blooming Junction, you have trees that can go in any application for a garden, a property, that would really enhance it so much.
Yeah, that's right.
So really, if you're looking for shade trees, any kind of tree for your property or garden, come out to Blooming Junction, talk to Ron and his staff, and it really makes it so easy to get the one that looks best for you. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Judy.